Established in 1969, Hexza Corporation Berhad is a Malaysian public listed company specializing in chemical manufacturing. It is listed on the main market of Bursa Malaysia Securities Berhad and has earned a reputation for upholding corporate governance standards in its business operation. Over the years, Hexza has evolved into a diversified corporation recognized for its high-quality product and commitment to sustainability. Principal business operation consists of production and marketing of ethanol, solvents, substitutes, adhesives, and resins for a general construction, automotive, and consumer audience. Hexza's products are created to comply with a strict safety and quality requirement that allow it to maintain a price competitive advantage in the local region and regional markets. Although the very heart of Hexza's operation lies in Malaysia, Hexza has made its presence felt across the region from Indonesia, Thailand, and the Philippines, serving a wide array of customers from small businesses all the way to multinational. Sustainability is one of the cornerstones of Hexza business strategy. The company is embedding environmental, social, and governance (ESG) principles into its core operation principle. We are focused on energy efficiency, waste minimization, and environmental law adherence. A continuous injection of money into research and development drive its innovation, which result in the introduction of green product and in the making of its current portfolio. Moving forward, Hexza intends to preserve its current market leadership by widening the range of products available and by further developing new growth markets in emerging countries. Its focus on innovation and sustainability makes it innovative and future-looking enterprise, and future prosperity is currently within its grasp.
So next, let's move on to the risk of misrepresentation of the company's inventories. So listed below are Hexza's inventories, including raw materials and consumables, finished goods, goods in transit, completed development units for sale, and also work in progress.
First, raw material and consumables. Raw material and consumables carry a risk of material misstatement in financial statement. A decrease in 2023 to 2024 could result from usage or potential misstatement. Common risks include inaccurate physical counts, debt, or loss, leading to quantity discrepancies. This misstatement can mislead stakeholders about the company's financial health and operational performance. Proper risk management ensures accurate financial reporting and maintains stakeholder trust. Next, misstatement in finished good. Misstatement in finished good can occur due to errors in physical inventory counts, human mistakes, or lack of regular stock checks. This discrepancy between recorded and actual quantities can lead to material misstatement. Overstated finished good can distort financial ratios like inventory turnover and gross profit margin. This can mislead stakeholders about the company's performance and financial health. Accurate inventory management is crucial to prevent such misstatement and ensure reliable financial reporting. Next one, goods in transit. Goods in transit increased in 2023 to 2024. Errors or delays in documentation can cause incorrect recording of these goods. If not properly tracked, goods in transit can lead to unaccounted inventory or double accounted items. Accurate tracking is crucial for inventory management, demand planning, and cash flow forecasting. Material misstatement can result in planning errors like overpurchasing or stockouts, affecting production, customer satisfaction, and revenue. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Raiha Binti Ralis 295068, and now I'll cover the other two risks, which is related to the completed development units for sale and work in progress inventories. So let's start with completed development units for sale. In 2023, these inventories were valued at 77397 ringgit, rising to 110440 ringgit in 2024. While this increase suggests operational success, it also presents risks such as incorrect valuation or misclassification, which could inflate assets and mislead the stakeholders. Accurate reporting is vital to reflect Hexza's true financial position. So next, let's move on to the work in progress inventories, which increased from 26315 ringgit in 2023 to 47065 ringgit in 2024. This growth introduces the risk of misstatement from errors in production cost or completion level calculations, affecting the profitability. Monitoring is necessary to give stakeholders an accurate view of Hexza's production efficiency. So in conclusion, I can say that Hexza's inventory risk across raw materials, finished goods, goods in transit, completed units for sale, and work in progress highlight the importance of accurate valuation, proper classification, and robust internal controls to ensure reliable financial reporting and maintain stakeholder trust.
I'm Ayesha Salma Fabrizio. My metric number is 702587. So I would like to explain more detail about the part 3, especially for separate duties for purchasing and inventory maintenance. So divided into two. First is risk and the objective of itself. For the risk is due to the lack of an external validation procedure to verify irregularities. There is a high possibility of unauthorized movement and loss of tampering of stock. For the objective is to reduce this risk of fraud and then errors in reporting. It is advisable to have distinct measure on procurement, receiving, and holding of stock.
My name is Alya Nafisa Larasati Napitupulu. My student metric is 70, 25, and 89. So I will continue and explain the detail of the audit procedures. But first, we need to know that the audit procedures needs to improve for financial statements of Hexza Corporation's Berhad to concern specific risks and observations. For that, there is a method or a techniques to this procedure. First technique is a raw materials and consumables. So for the raw materials and consumables, the main goals is to make sure that the records of materials used in productions are correct and reliable. So for the example of the raw materials and consumable is unit count validations to identify our checks, discrepancies, thief, or human error. And the second example is usage analysis, conduct on the announced inventory counts. So for the second method is finished good. So for the goal of the finished good is to maintain accurate records, also to avoid overvaluations or undervaluations, and to ensure the company has good control over the stock. So for the example of that is inventory valuations testing, including FIFO and the weighted average cost for accounting methods. And the third is for goods in transit. So for the goal of the good in transit is to make sure items being transported are properly tracked and recorded. So for the fourth method is work in progress. So the main focus of work in progress is on keeping track of the items that are not finished yet but are still being made. For the next is general risk management and controls. The focus on the reducing mistakes or preventing fraud and ensuring accurate inventory records, and also to ensure the value reflects of the actual stage of completions. The last thing is development unit sales. It means that the development unit sales items still being made for the sale but not finished yet.
Right, for the suggestion of audit procedure, as we mentioned before, for the Hexza Corporation are aimed at improving the accuracy and reliability of its inventory reporting by addressing specific risks for each inventory category. By the regular physical counts and usage analysis, and also cut-off testing for raw material aid in the detection of discrepancy and the accuracy of reporting to prevent overstatement and identify inefficiency. Finished goods are verified using valuation testing, and then also the physical counts, and then also the inventory turnover analysis. By the freight items are correctly grouped by synchronizing shipping papers and comparing records with suppliers. Once development units are fully completed, so the accuracy of the valuation and classification by market price check, and also the sales correlation is done. For the correlation is done too also.